Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you prefer Outlook's layout and want a similar experience inside Gmail, this is a quick adjustment you can make right from your Gmail settings. The main goal here is to change the reading layout so your message list stays visible while emails open beside it, and to simplify the inbox by removing category tabs. This gives Gmail a cleaner, more Outlook-style appearance. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. This opens Gmail's Quick Settings panel, where you can make visual and layout changes without leaving the inbox. In that Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Reading pane section. This option controls where your emails open when you click on them. To create a more Outlook-like layout, select Right of Inbox. That setting places your email list on the left and the selected message on the right, which is a familiar layout for many Outlook users. After you choose that option, click the Settings icon again at the top. This time, select See All Settings. That will take you into Gmail's full settings area, where you can fine-tune how your inbox is organized. Once you're in the full settings page, click the Inbox tab. In this section, look for categories. Gmail often uses category tabs like Primary, Social, Promotions, and others to sort incoming mail automatically. If you want a more traditional Outlook-style inbox, uncheck all of those category options. This keeps everything together in one main inbox instead of splitting messages across separate tabs. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Gmail will refresh and apply your changes. At this point, your inbox should look much closer to Outlook. You'll now have the Reading pane on the right side and a simpler inbox view without category tabs. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same settings and re-enable any options you prefer. As a final tip, if you want the experience to feel even more like Outlook, you can continue exploring Gmail's display density and inbox customization settings later. But with these changes alone, you'll already have a cleaner, more familiar workspace that's easier to scan and use throughout the day. That's it for this guide on how to make Gmail look like Outlook.